Hi guys! Magpapa-dinner kami ngayon. Ang papadinner namin is pho. Ito ay chicken, fried chicken. This is meatballs, chicken balls, pork, and beef balls. And then this is seafood balls. And then this is a basil. And then there's a jalapeno. And there's a spring onions. And the cilantro. And then the onions. And this is the beef. And this is the pork. And of course, there are some vegetable. And then a hoisin sauce. And then let's go to the broth. So this is a homemade broth that is made of